back to our channel. This is Jada's little brother. So today we'll be doing a quick install of a wig, Amazon wig. So first we'll put some gel between the braids. Then we take out the wig. Then we take the wig out the bag. We take little bands. Take the wig cap and it has some eyelashes. Take out, so here you have the wig, 26 inches. Smells off. You see, so it has like a lace band on it. Then, yeah, so you can like see it's nice and long. Then we start to put on the wig cap. Then we take the wig head. We put it on. Then you have a needle. You put it all around with the wig part. Then we have some rubbing alcohol. Put it on a rag. Rub it all over your forehead, so side to side. Then we got some like edges cream. We put the edges back. Then we put the wig cap over it. Then we cut it over your hairline. You cut a little hole and put your ears between it. So then we have a glue spray. You spray it all over on your hairline again. Then we dry it. You can use a blow dryer to dry it much faster. Then we have a second row of glue. Then you can take anything and just like brush it down. Then we have some makeup and some blending. Then you rub it all over your hair. Then you take a comb ironer and then you just comb it back. Then add some edges and yeah.